How to welding one line with Cobot. 1. Login with account and password. To press teaching menu and new one program. The name of example program is Welding 06032. Press empty.lua and new to confirm. 3. Move Cobot to safe point and record point is SafeUp. 4. Move Cobot to prepare point, record point is A4. Press Add key and Apply key to add these points into program. Five. Move Cobot to starting point of welding line, recording point is A3. 6. Set welding current 160A and choose unification mode on welding machine. Add starting arc and ending arc and setting welding current. Press apply key to confirm. Move Cobot to end point of welding line, recording point is A2. Suggest that setting moving speed for welding to 1% and set global speed is 30%. 8. Add weaving function after starting welding. Press Start Swing and Stop Swing keys. Press Apply to confirm. 9. Move end weaving and end arc after finishing welding line. 10. Move Cobot to restrict point after welding, recording point is A1. 11. Shift to manual mode. Avoid repeated cycle welding. If welding same lines, we can cover points we used before. Drag robot to prepare point and cover A for point. Drag robot to starting point of welding line and cover A3 point. Drag robot tone point of welding line and cover A2 point. Drag robot to exit point of welding line and cover A to point. Press Save key and Shift mode to auto. Press Run key to run program. Thank you.